Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get your Binance ID. First, open your web browser or the Binance app and navigate to the login page. Enter your registered email or phone number and your password. Complete any two-factor authentication steps, like entering a code from your authenticator app or a text message. Once successfully logged in, you'll be on your main dashboard. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small icon, often resembling a person or a puzzle piece. This is your profile icon. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear, showing various options related to your account settings and personal information. Within the drop-down menu, you'll quickly spot your user ID, often labeled as UID or user ID. It's typically a prominent numerical value, usually an 8-digit number, displayed near your email address or username. This unique identifier is crucial for many interactions within the Binance platform and for support. Your Binance ID is more than just a number. It's your unique identifier on the platform. You'll need it when contacting customer support for any issues or inquiries. It also helps verify your account for specific transactions or services. Keep it handy, but always remember to keep your login credentials secure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.